Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. Today we will be sketching the graph of a simple rational function fx is equals to 1 over x minus 4 using its key features. From the previous video, we know that f of x is equals to 1 over x minus 4 has some particular key features such as the vertical asymptote is x equals to 4. Let me just draw that line just to help us out. So x is right here. That would be x equals to 4. And then we have another asymptote, which is the horizontal asymptote at y is equals to 0. And then we know there is no x-intercept, and the y-intercept would be somewhere right here at negative 0.25, would be somewhere here. That would be the y-intercept. And we know that our function is positive when x is greater than 4, and it is negative when x is less than 4. So let's try to sketch out a graph for that. So our graph would look like it would never touch the horizontal asymptote, since that is, or the vertical asymptote, since those aren't part of our domain or ranges. X is equal to 4 is not in our domain, and y is equal to 0 is not in our range. So they would almost be touching, but they would never touch 0. And then our graph would never touch y either, so it would go up something like this. And then for the positive interval, which is when x is greater than 4, our graph would look something like this. And that's it. That's how we sketch a graph of a simple rational function using its key features. Thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.